What's up? I'm Justin. Welcome to Don't Disappoint Your Parents. Now, today is the Valentine's Day special, and for many people it's a day of celebration. But for others, it's a little bit rough. Maybe the local boba guys in your life just isn't cutting you out. Maybe the local boba guys is neglecting you, shutting down on you, not satisfying you. And to those of you who feel this way, I just want to say that I'm here for you. Because today isn't about those boba guys. It's about the boba you. Let's get cooking. For this very special Valentine's Day episode, we're going to start by making some tea. I'm going to be using jasmine green tea, but you could use any type of green, black, or fruit tea you like. Add 2 tablespoons of jasmine pearls into a bowl along with 3 cups of boiling water. I'm using a bowl because it looks nice, but obviously not necessary. Use a kettle like a normal person. After steeping the tea for about 5 minutes, drain the tea leaves out and set it aside to cool. Next, we're going to make a simple syrup. In a small bowl, add half a cup of water and half a cup of sugar. Stir together and bring to a boil. Once the sugar dissolves completely, take the syrup off the heat to cool. Finally, we're going to make our boba. In a medium bowl, add 6 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Next, in a smaller bowl, combine a few drops of black food coloring and 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Quickly add this, along with another 2 tablespoons of boiling water, into the tapioca starch, and mix with a fork until you get a shaggy dough. Once your dough forms, transfer it onto a cutting board. Roll up your sleeves because we're going to knead this dough for about 10 minutes until your dough gets a dry, Play-Doh-like texture. Now, you're supposed to roll the dough out and cut it into small pieces, but my dough came out a little on the drier side, so I just decided to take little pieces one by one and shape them into boba balls. Take a little piece of dough and use your fingers to delicately shape the dough into pea-sized balls. Try to get them as uniform as possible. Next, we're going to boil about 3 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Add about 10 to 12 boba balls into the boiling syrup and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the balls are soft and tender. This should be a little more overcooked than you want them to be because they'll firm up a little as they cool. Fish them out with a hot pot sieve and set aside with a little bit of its syrup. Add the boba balls and its syrup, 1.5 tablespoons of simple syrup, 2 tablespoons of almond milk, and about 1.5 cups of the tea into a beer glass or any type of glass you have. Add some ice if you want it, and throw in a boba straw you stole from your local tea shop. And there you have your homemade boba tea, because who needs a tea shop when you're a strong, independent person capable of making your own damn tea? And now, please welcome our resident ABG, Chen. Jamie, we have some jasmine milk tea with homemade boba balls.
Justin, what's an ABG?
It's an Asian baby girl, which you clearly are. I see you with your little makeup.
Okay. I have a question for you. Another question. Why are you dressed so nice? What is the usually you're in a
Don't
sweatshirt?
worry about
and,
it. Don't worry about it.
Is this recipe for a certain target audience that you're trying to appeal to?
Don't worry about it. Just have the tea.
Okay.
Just sip your tea.
So. Okay.
Jamie takes her boba very seriously.
I'm actually not a big boba person, but I will say that the tea is very good. The silk almond milk is excellent.
Yes, of course. Please sponsor me.
Yeah, it's pretty good, for boba.
The balls are chewy.
The balls are a little too big for the straw, I would say.
Oh, you have to hand roll them, so excuse me if I don't adhere to the machine quality.
Yeah. What's your favorite boba spot?
Boba guys. Boba guys.
So basic.
Please let me be one of the boba guys.
Yeah, as much as I feel as an Asian girl from California, that this is against my culture. You know, I'm not really a book person. So I give this a 3 out of 10.
So mean. That's just because you're
to
not
all
a
the
Boba.
ABGs out there,
this is just
you can
you're
try
not,
this recipe, and you know, I think you should try it for yourself.
This
And
is biased judgment.
you know, let Justin know what you think. Let him know, because he is quite single and lonely out here. But it's okay. That is all.
Thank you for coming. I like it. It's delicious.